Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now is just I've run my rail across there and there. I don't need to go there because when I drag it back, when I'm in the doorway and I'm dragging it back, I'll get that. So I bring it around here to here. Let's put a little bit of slurry down there. I always used to use cement, people, but now that I've used bagged stuff for years. That's why I use glue as my slurry. But when I used to use sand and cement, when I used to buy sand and cement by the truckload, I'd use cement as my slurry. But I don't have any need for just straight cement anymore, because this shit is good, boy, I tell you. See, watching the bubble, I don't really have to watch the bubble because I know it's bang on. I've set it up like that. Nice early knock off today. That's what you get when you've got glue though on your level, your full. I mean on your wooden float. It's not really a wooden float, it's fiberglass. Just be careful not to dig in, people, and you're laughing. Okay, I need to use a little bit longer level and I'll come around. Where is my trowel? Or I could just come across. Either way, like so. It's good. Lovely bubbly. Now I'll use a longer level and just drag it out. I'll mix up some more mud, lay it out, lay my slurry out. First, put my mud down and I'll come back to you. I'll wash my hands. See you soon. Stay tuned. Next step, Chris O.